Smile and learn.
Hello, friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about wild animals. I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be? It's a lion! Lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is. It's an elephant. Elephant. The elephant is huge. Elephant. Let's see what other animals we can spot. It's a giraffe. Giraffe. That's quite a neck, isn't it? Giraffe. Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are so funny. Monkey. Let's see what's down there. It's a crocodile. Crocodile. Look at those teeth. Crocodile. There's another silhouette. What would that be? A gorilla. Gorilla. Gorillas are very strong. Gorilla. Let's keep searching for animals. Over here. A zebra. Zebra. Zebra stripes are so cool. Zebra. Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger. Tiger. Tigers are fierce. Tiger. What else have we got here? A rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. My, look at that horn. Rhinoceros. Let's see if there's another animal around. Sure there is. A bear. Bear. How big is that bear? Bear. I think there's one more animal around here. A wolf. Wolf. I love wolves. Wolf. Have you seen how many animals are there? Let's recap so you won't forget them. Lion. Elephant. Giraffe. Monkey. Crocodile. Gorilla. Zebra. Tiger. Rhinoceros. Bear. Wolf. That's all, friends. I think it's time to go back home.
Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it! Download Smile and Learn on your mobile, tablet, or PC.